This is 7 National News, and in our top story, the UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, has launched the UAE University Science and Innovation Park at the university's campus in Al Ain on Tuesday. The launch ceremony was also attended by His Highness Sheikh Hamdan Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Crown Prince of Dubai, and other senior government officials. During the launch ceremony, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed also unveiled a plaque at the park, which is described as a first-of-its-kind research hub and student innovation incubator. The ruler of Dubai stressed the importance of coordination and interaction between the public and private sectors to pursue development, while also aiming to attract the largest number of creative and innovative minds from different fields, including environment, health, education, space, and engineering. His Highness added that such innovations will have a positive impact on the development of our state and enable it to compete globally in fields of research, innovation, education, and knowledge. As leaders, we believe in the ability and enthusiasm of our young generation for advancing the UAE's place internationally. We promise them that they will be at the center of our attention, follow-up, and unflinching support so as to launch them into a bright future. As part of his tour, the ruler of Dubai also inspected projects by students from UAE University, Khalifa University, and Abu Dhabi Police, which were on display as part of the UAE Innovation Week. The Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi and Deputy Supreme Commander of the UAE Armed Forces, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, has met President of Seychelles yesterday and explored ways to develop constructive partnerships between the two countries. According to the Emiratis news agency WAM, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed received the Seychelles President at Al Shati Palace and discussed with him ways of boosting ties of friendship and cooperation for serving mutual interests that would benefit their countries and people in areas of economy, trade, investment, development, and tourism. They also exchanged views on an array of latest regional and international developments and events. His Highness said that the UAE maintains constructive and evolving ties with Seychelles and determines to advance those for the best interest of the friendly countries and people. The Abu Dhabi General Service Company Musanada has announced that the new 2.1 billion dirhams motorway connecting Abu Dhabi and Dubai will be opened by the end of next month, providing an alternative to the congested Sheikh Zayed Road. According to a local report, a 62-kilometer stretch of road between the end of the Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road near Al Ghadir village running to the Abu Dhabi Swayhan Road is 98% complete. When opened, the new stretch of motorway will have a capacity for 8,000 vehicles an hour, with 4 lanes in each direction. The road passes through the forest belt of Al-Maha, Kizad, the industrial area where Khalifa Port is located, and Bida Khalifa before connecting with the Abu Dhabi Swayhan Road at Swayhan Interchange. Musanada officials also added that there will be 2 filling stations on the new stretch, 1 on each side, and both between Interchange 1 and 2. The new route is also aimed at improving the quality of infrastructure in Abu Dhabi and enhancing the economic development of the country. Additionally, the motorway includes 6 interchanges that link road users to Khalifa Port as well as residential areas such as Al Samha and Al Falah. About 3,500 people had been working on the project since it began in the first quarter of 2014, spending more than 20 million working hours getting it ready. A new pedestrian bridge that connects Ibn Battuta Mall with the Dubai Metro is scheduled to open this week. According to local reports, the 2-story, 210-meter walkway is seen to boost footfall numbers at the shopping complex that mainly caters to residents in or around Discovery Gardens and Jabal Ali. The facility will be officially opened by Nakhil on Thursday and will be home to 90 shops and dining outlets. The developer said that the walkway is a key element of its ongoing expansion work on the Ibn Battuta Mall, which is envisioned to turn into a retail, entertainment, and leisure destination spanning 7 million square feet. The mall attracts 20 million visitors a year, or around 55,000 daily. The completion of the pedestrian link will see the mall's total leasable area expand to 1.3 million square feet. The size will expand further with the subsequent opening of the 4.7 million square foot expansion, which will include a shop space of 770,000 square feet. The Sharjah government entity will start levying a 10 dirham fee on every government transaction applicable for fees which are above 50 dirhams and will be effective from the 1st of January next year. The introduction of the new fee was approved by the Sharjah Executive Council during a meeting chaired by His Highness Sheikh Sultan bin Mohammed bin Sultan Al Qasimi, the Crown Prince and Deputy Ruler of Sharjah, on Tuesday. While transactions whose fees are less than 50 dirhams are exempted from this levy, transactions for medical treatment and healthcare services at any hospitals, clinics, and medical centers operating in the Emirate are also exempted. Meanwhile, the Council has also issued a resolution to support scientific research in the Emirate, a move that highlights the importance of scientific studies, research, and results in various aspects of life. The move comes as part of the Emirates' efforts to enhance the participation of individuals and community organizations in boosting scientific research in Sharjah. Emiratis and expatriates residents across the Emirate of Abu Dhabi can now get free flu vaccinations by visiting the primary healthcare centers of Abu Dhabi Health Services Company, Sahha. That's according to Health Authority Abu Dhabi. As part of their efforts to reduce the spread of infectious diseases among members of the community in Abu Dhabi, HAAD officials stressed the importance of seasonal flu vaccination in easing symptoms associated with influenza and its contribution towards making it less severe. Doctors at Abu Dhabi Health Authority were quoted in a newspaper as saying that the vaccination for seasonal influenza is given to all, with priority given to groups at high risk, including the elderly and those with chronic diseases, pregnant women and children less than 5 years of age, particularly under the age of 2, as well as those working in the field of healthcare. HAAD has also urged citizens and residents to take the seasonal flu vaccine before the winter season reaches its peak and potentially increase the number of flu cases in the Emirate. According to officials, the initiative will not only help in protecting against influenza, but also reduce complications for a period of up to a year. And finally, in the bulletin, the 13th edition of Dubai International Film Festival will take place from December 7th to the 14th at the Madinat Jumeirah. This year's festival will showcase 156 feature films, shorts, and documentaries from 55 countries, including 73 MENA premieres, with 78 films from Arab directors. Speaking to the press in attendance today, organizers outlined the program of screenings and events including or introducing Diff as an international film festival with an Arab heart. They announced the opening gala screening will be dramatic thriller Miss Sloane starring Jessica Chastain, and Rogue One, a Star Wars story, will close the festival. The star lineup of guests includes Samuel Jackson, Bill Nighy, Luke Hemsworth, Eva Longoria, a host of Arab film celebrities, and Lifetime Achievement Award winner Indian actress Rekha. The prestigious Cinema of the World category includes cinematic journeys from India to Iran to China. This program will screen works from globally acclaimed filmmakers and actors including Ryan Gosling, Emma Stone, Terrence Malick, Ken Loach, and Damien Chazelle. Cinematic highlights include Voyage of Time, produced by Brad Pitt, La La Land by Academy Award nominee Damien Chazelle, romantic thriller Nocturnal Animals from American director Tom Ford, and 20th Century Women from Mike Mills. For younger film fans, the Children's Red Carpet Gala will be the adaptation of the novel Swallows and Amazons. This will be partnered with the opportunity to delve into the creative process of adapting a novel to the screen at the Great Adaptations event with the Emirates Airline Festival of Literature. This year, a new virtual reality lineup has been added to the festival program, boasting an immersive journey of storytelling with 10 of the world's most advanced VR films.
So we have 10 beautiful films that we've selected in the virtual reality section, and it's really important, I think, because we've got all technologies headed in different directions, and everybody's talking about virtual reality. It's a different medium. We don't know, where it's going to head, but everybody's trying it out, and it's a great form of narrating stories, especially if you're looking at documentaries. It gives you a fantastic perspective, and we've got a really nice selection. We've got 5 world premieres there, and we've got great documentaries, so it'll give everybody a feel. We've got some great narratives, and we also have one UAE VR film there. The Dubai film market has been, organically growing for the last few years, and it's become a really important destination for business, for all the filmmakers as well as industry professionals, not only for the region, but anybody that's seeking anything from the region comes down now from different parts of the world. We've got the Dubai Film Connection, which has great projects. I mean, if you look at what we've been doing, it's almost 10 years old now. We've had projects that have traveled all over the world. You've seen great filmmakers come out of it. So all of them are evolving. We're getting better and better names wanting to participate. We've got more people coming through. We're getting more business getting done. More films are getting distributed. More films are getting funded. So for us, it's great. I mean, this year you'll see that we've got 15 co-productions or films that have been produced out of the UAE, which is a great number. When we started out, there was nothing, I think. And we've also got 6 Emirati feature films competing this year. So it's great. I mean, we're really seeing a transformation in the industry. We're seeing the box office admissions grow. There are more theatres being built here. UAE is the biggest box office admissions in the entire MENA region. So there's a lot happening, and I think it's a great time for the region. I think it's a great time for the UAE, and cinema is blooming.